Hi and hello. This is High Physics YouTube channel. In this video we are going to discuss about light for standard 7. Light part 1. We see things around us only because of light. If I switch off the light, I'll be barely visible, or I'll not be visible to you. When I switch on the light, I hope I'll be visible to you. So we see things only because of light. Then what is light? Light is a form of energy. Only from sunlight plants prepare food which supplies them energy. Light is a form of energy, means it is a form of energy just like heat energy, solar energy, electrical energy, magnetic energy. We have seen electrical and magnetic effects in our previous videos. So light is also a form of energy. From this energy, plants prepare their food. Then what are the sources of light? From where do we get light? We get light from the sources. The sources can be divided into two. One is the natural sources that exist in our universe. For example, sun. Sun is a source of light. We know light comes from sun in the daytime. Stars are also a source of light. We can see them at night. But the light from the stars are very weak because stars are very, very far away from the earth. And there is one more thing, bioluminescence objects or species. For example, fireflies, jellyfish, all these produce light in their body. Chemical changes in their body produces light. You can see in this picture, right? Jellyfish emitting blue light out of chemical changes in their body. So these are called as bioluminescent sources. These are all the natural sources. Sun is a natural source, star is a natural source of light, and bioluminescent sources. And there are other form of sources which we call it as the artificial sources or man-made sources. In the sources we have made man-made sources. For example, incandescent sources, that is incandescent bulb, light from the incandescent bulb, ordinary light filament bulb. The filament gets heated up and we get light from the filament glow. This you call it as the incandescent bulb. There are other form of lamps like sodium lamp, discharge lamp, etc. These are called as discharge sources. In this, glass tube இந்த gases, sodium gas, argon gas, neon gas நம்ம அடைச்சிட்டு அதில் electric field supply பண்ணோம்னா this gases get ionized and as a result they emit particular color of light, and this you call it as the discharge sources. So sources of light are broadly divided into natural sources and artificial sources or man-made sources. The light is a mystery even today. So to introduce light in 6th standard and 7th standard, we say light ray. In 9th and 10th standard, teachers teach you with saying that light is a wave, light wave they'll say. And in after 12th and in college level, the light is referred to as a particle like photons. So light is a mystery. There are three models to describe the properties of the light. The first model you call it as the ray model. In this ray model, you have a torch light. Torch light switched on gives out light as shown in this picture, small picture, right? In this picture here, okay? So torch beam. So this you call it as the beam of light from the flashlight or the torch light. This beam is made up of rays, bunch of rays. So this is a ray, this is another ray, this is another ray, there may be another rays here. So beam is made up of bunch of rays. So if you mean a ray, then I'll concentrate only one thin light in this bunch of beam, that you call it as a ray. So I may concentrate only on this or this or this and explain few phenomena like reflection, refraction, etc. are defined or explained using ray model. Then in the wave model, we treat the light that comes out of a source as a wave. So this is a wave, right? And this is a wavelength, a length between two trough or two crust. You call it as a wavelength. We'll see later, right? So this model is a wave model. We treat the light as a wave, right? By treating light as a wave, people explained certain properties of light or certain phenomena of light like interference and diffraction, etc., polarization, etc., which we come across in the higher classes, for example 9th, 10th. And in still more, there is one more model, we call it as the photon model or particle like photon model, which uses the quantum concept, where the light is not a continuous energy flow, it is treated as a small chunks or bits of energy called quanta, which we study in the college level. So now we are going to concentrate only on the ray model of light. So this is the model which we are going to use. We are going to treat the light coming out of the light source as rays, right? Still, the light is mysterious, or the mystery of light continues, as I said. Why? Because sound needs a medium for propagation. We know when I speak, the sound from my voice travels in the medium air and it compresses and expands. As a result, it travels and reaches your ears. That's how we hear the sound. So sound needs a medium for propagation, but light can travel even in vacuum. It needs no medium. That's why light from the sun reaches the earth as it travels through the space. And the speed of the light is huge, enormous. 3 into 10 power 8 meters per second. This is the velocity of the light. Light travels at this incredibly higher speed. 3 into 10 power 8 meters per second. 3 into 8 na 3 போட்டுட்டு பக்கத்துல 8 சைபர் போட்டுக்கணும். அவ்வளோ meters in 1 second. 3 into 10 power 8 meters in 1 second. So it is the fastest possible speed for any object in the universe. In the universe la எந்த ஆப்ஜெக்டும் லைட்டை விட வேகமா போக முடியாது. This is the Einstein's statement. So this is the ultimate speed. For example, the distance between the earth and the sun is 150 million kilometers. 150 million அப்படின்னா 15 போட்டு 7 சைபர் பக்கத்தில் போட்டுக்கணும். 15 followed by 7 cybers. Kilometers. 150 million kilometers. So we know that the light travels at this incredible speed, 3 into 10 power 8 meters per second, or that is 300,000 kilometer. கிலோமீட்டர் மீட்டரை மாற்றினோம்னா இன்னொரு 3 சைபர் போட்டுக்கணும் நீங்கள், அப்போ 8 சைபர் வந்துடும். ஸோ 300,000 kilometer per second. So this is the distance and this is the velocity or the speed, right? If you divide this speed by this distance, we get the time taken by the light ray to travel from the sun to the earth. So it approximately takes 500 seconds. That means it takes 8 minutes for the light to travel this incredible distance. 150 million kilometers it travels just in 8 minutes. So that is the speed of light. Now we'll see the properties of light. In this we see the rectilinear propagation of light. What is rectilinear? Rectilinear means straight line. Linear means straight. So rectilinear propagation of light. Light travels in straight line. How to demonstrate this? We can demonstrate using two simple experiments. One is the pinhole camera. So we take a cardboard box. We make a small pinhole at the center of one face of the cube or the cardboard box, and on the rear side of the cardboard box we place a screen or a transparent tracing sheet. Now the light enters the pinhole and reaches the screen. So here the top of the object, here the tree is given as the object. The light from the top of the tree travels straight into this hole and reaches the bottom portion of the screen. And similarly, this part, the bottom part of the object tree, travels through the pinhole and reaches the screen here, top portion of the screen here. As a result, we see an inverted image. தலைகீழ தெரியுது object. So tree இங்க நேரா இருக்கிறது இங்க தலைகீழ தெரியுது. This clearly demonstrates that light travels in a straight line. Similarly, there is one more experiment. Here you have a candle and 3 cardboards. In these 3 cardboards you have made a hole. Right? All the holes are aligned. They are in straight. Right? In the same position we have to make the hole. And the holes should be made in the height of the flame. ரைட் ஃப்ளேம் எந்த ஹைட்டில் இருக்கோ அதே ஹைட்டில் நம்ம அந்த ஓட்டை போடணும். இந்த பக்கத்தில் இருந்து 3 நேராக அடுக்கி ஸ்ட்ரைட்டாக ஹோல் ஒன்னோட ஒன்று ஸ்ட்ரைட்டாக அடிக்கிட்டு இந்த பக்கத்தில் இருந்து பார்த்தோம்னா ஃப்ளேம் தெரியும், கேண்டிலோட ஃப்ளேம், விச் கிளியர்லி ஷோஸ் தட் லைட் ட்ராவல்ஸ் த்ரூ தி ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஹோல், செகண்ட் ஹோல், தேர்ட் ஹோல் இன் அ ஸ்ட்ரைட் லைன் அண்ட் ரீச்சஸ் அவர் ஐ. But if we adjust, if we slightly displace one of the cardboard so that the 3 holes are not aligned, first hole வழியா லைட் போகிறது இந்த செகண்ட் கார்ட்போர்டில் ஹோலில் போகாமல் கார்ட்போர்டில் போய் இடிச்சிடும். அப்போ நமக்கு இந்த பக்கம் ரீச் ஆகாது. So we will not be in a position to see. This experiment also demonstrates that light travels in straight line. This you call it as the rectilinear propagation of light. We see the other properties in the subsequent videos. Thank you.